Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a room tour of the suite at the MGM Grand Hotel and Casino. We are staying in room 18306, and this is what it looks like when you first walk in. There's the door right here, and then when you turn around, you have some lighting here, and it's pretty dim. Most of the lights are pretty dim here in this room. And then you have an art piece right here. And on the other side, you have the door. I believe this is connected to another room. So you also have this long mirror. And then this little thing is actually another lamp. And here is the restroom. So it has the double vanity sinks, and then you have a nice big shower with the bathtub, and you also have a standing shower. And then on this wall you also have another art piece, and then of course the toilet as well. And this was the only place in this hotel room that had good lighting. Everywhere else in the room was pretty dim unless you opened the drapes for the windows to let the natural light in. And so here we have a little bit of storage for the towels, toilet paper, blow dryer, and you also have a few plugs here, or outlets. Okay, and then out here is the lamp again. We have the shutters closed right now. And here's another art piece on top of the couch. And then you can see that it has the little coffee tables. There's an end table in the corner, a chair, and then the desk area where I'm currently editing videos. And here is the view outside our window. And at the end of the video, I'll also insert a clip of the nighttime view. But this is what it looks like. You can see New York, New York right there. And yeah, so that's the view of the outside. Here is another storage area along with the fridge. So there's a bunch of storage in here. And there's the fridge. We don't touch any of those snackaroos or drinks. And then there's another piece of art on top of the fridge. And then next is the closet. This is a pretty huge closet. Again, this is a suite, so it does have a lot more storage. So this is the closet. And then there's another art piece. And then here's the bed with the little nightstands with the lamps. Again, the lights are so dim in here, but we have a great view outside, so that looks really nice. And again, there's more storage, so you have a lot of storage area here, and also underneath the TV as well. And here's another view outside from the other window. And then here is the TV with more storage space underneath. So this is what our hotel looks like. It was really comfortable. The bed was very comfortable. And we had a great time. We just gambled downstairs and then came back up to the room to sleep, and now we are about to check out and start our day at the Cosmopolitan. So here is the overview. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.